Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I want to talk about how to structure your post in WordPress using Thrive Architect and how this can help you build blog posts really easily and monetize them as well if you're trying to do affiliate marketing or you're trying to sell products off your posts or whatever, or if you're trying to just get people onto your email list. Thrive Architect is a great tool to do all that, and I'm going to show you how to use it right now. So this is an affiliate website actually that I currently own. It is called the Luggage Depot. It is about luggage, and I currently have this one post here, and I'm working on filling the site with content. But within this post, I'm working on conversion rate optimization. Now, it's a relatively new site, so obviously there aren't any conversions yet because it's a new site. So I'm just kind of going through it, and I'm making sure that it's doing everything it needs to do SEO wise, and it has all the right buttons in the right places and all that stuff. But it's really easy to do this when you use Thrive Architect. So Thrive Architect is a web page builder, and you can see it right here. It's similar to Fusion Builder, Elementor, pretty much any of those page builders you've heard of. This is a very comparable tool to one of those. Excuse me. But the beauty of Thrive Architect is it comes as part of a larger package. So you can order Thrive themes. You can get a Thrive themes membership for $20 a month, and it gives you not only this awesome web page builder, but it gives you access to all the Thrive themes, gives you access to different plugins that Thrive offers, and all their plugins are really useful. I use most of them every single day, and I can't recommend them enough. But Thrive Architect is my favorite feature. As you can see, so here's the post, right? And this is the featured image. So I didn't need to use Thrive Architect for that, but for all this content, this is all placed here using Thrive Architect. So you can actually, instead of just going into your typical WordPress post area and just typing away at a post that way, you can go through here, and I like this view a lot better because you can really visualize what the final post is going to look like instead of having to preview it constantly. For those of you who are familiar with WordPress, you're typing a post, you got to preview it, see how it looks. Well, with this, you can see how it looks as you're typing it up, so it's really great that way. And you can add images really easily like this. So this post in particular, it's an affiliate post, clearly. Best carry-on luggage backpacks, but you want to also add value, right? You don't want to just throw in a bunch of Amazon links and say click here. So I opened up the post talking about just what makes a great carry-on bag, and I have some of the specifications for what most airlines accept onto their flights. I have pictures here. I have a a anchor text leading to. This actually links out to, I think, a TSA written resource about baggage fees. I don't know exactly. No, I think it's just an article about baggage fees in some newspaper, USA Today or something. But the whole idea here is that I'm adding value throughout, right? So, and this is cool too. So using Thrive Architect, like I mentioned, you can add these cool little icons here. And so you can have, this is technically an unordered list, but I'm able to use these custom icons. So clearly my theme is about travel, so I'm able to use plain icons to sort of go along with that theme. So to do that, I created a list, and then it lets you add an icon to that list. So I did. Here's the list. Exit group styling. Oh god, how did I do this exactly? Well, anyway, this is kind of embarrassing. Let's see. Oh yeah, here it is. So you can choose different icons. So that was the plain icon, but there's all of these. You can go down. There's tons of options. So depending on what kind of content you're writing, you might want to use different icons to kind of express your topics. And I just love the variety that Thrive gives you. Also, you'll notice that it gives you nice social media icons as well. So if you're doing something related to, share this content on Google Plus, or share this content on Meetup or whatever, or Facebook. I know they have Facebook somewhere too. Then there's Amazon. Then you can easily access all these icons here, and it can be done very easily. And you can add images easily too. So I added images here to each backpack I'm talking about. I think I did 35 or something. And you add the image, and you can add a border, which is what I did. I added a little border around it. And then under each image, I created a preset template. Now, here's the key to writing content quickly using this page builder, and this is why I love it so much. So for an affiliate post like this, where you're listing a bunch of different items, you don't want to have to go back and recreate this button every single time. You want to do it once, and then you want to be able to access it each time afterwards. So that's what I did. I created this one time. I went down here and I saved it, save template, and basically all I had to do was go down the post and just paste it in, and obviously change the affiliate link, but you can easily just paste it in, and then it requires a lot less work. So it's really nice, and you can do that with anything, really. You can do it with titles, you can do it with, I don't know if you can do it with images, but you can do it with text. You can really automate the process of creating a post, aside from writing the actual content, of course. But yeah, I just love this page builder, and I'm not trying to pitch it, like I'm not trying to sell it to you right now. I'm just being honest. I use this all the time, and it's fantastic. In fact, let me see if I can show you the home page. I think I showed you it in the very beginning of this. Let's see if I can get there without turning this off. Okay. So now I'm exiting the page builder. So it's cool, you can exit it and then you're just in the regular post. Let's go to the home page. So this is still, I'm working on this still, clearly. There's not much content on it, but this was done using a preset in Thrive Themes. So Thrive, another great thing about Architect is that, click on it again, you can create these really nice pre-made landing page templates based on the templates they already have. So this content was all put here. I mean, I put the content here, but the elements were all placed here via a template. So you go to page setup, you go to, well, let's say change landing page template. If I were to change it, it gives you all these presets. So I'm using the content focused homepage, and I find that this one is great if you're doing more of kind of a blog site, which is what I'm doing. Since I'm not a local business, this isn't a local business site. I'm not going to have service pages. This is a really good theme for having, a content focused site. But they have everything here, depending on what your site is. You can do sales pages, you can do video sales pages, you can do countdown timers, all sorts of stuff. And it's just with a click of a button. You just click on it, boom, choose template, you're done. It's pretty fantastic. I'm going to leave a link to, in case you want to try Thrive. I'll leave a link in the description. It's definitely worth it. It's $20 a month, comes out to $240 a year, somewhere in there, which is really not a lot of money for what you get. I mean, you can build unlimited websites for yourself. You can build all these landing pages. You think about it, ClickFunnels is $99 a month. Lead Pages is $39, $40 a month. And you can do all that stuff using Thrive Themes. And you can do way more. So, especially if you like working in WordPress. If you're like me and you prefer working with WordPress more than anything else, this is the way to go, by far. Okay. Anyway, I'm pretty much done. Just wanted to chat about that a little bit, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. for more videos, and I'll see you again next time.